Hello, it's time for another video session. If you are new here, welcome. In this video, we will be focusing on listening comprehension. Knowing the description of a word will help to give you a better understanding of the word itself. Shall we start? This quiz will split into 3 sections. Section 1. You will hear the description of the word, giving you clues on what it might be. Section 2. On your screen, you will be shown the main points from the description. Section 3. You will then see images appearing on your screen, one of which will be the word being described. So pay attention, make notes if you like, and listen closely. The answer will be shown at the end. So, let's jump right in. There have been many movies made about this 4-legged animal. This animal loves going for walks, playing fetch with sticks or a ball. There are many different types of this animal. This animal enjoys the company of humans. It is a domestic animal. Have you figured out what it might be yet? Cat, dog, bear, guinea pig. Did you guess it? Yes, it's a dog. Now you know what words and phrases you can use to describe a dog. Listening out for key words or phrases that can help you to decipher what you are hearing. Practice this at home to help you improve your listening. Comment down below to let us know which words you want us to describe next. See you soon. Bye!